Hello everybody, we're here again, and I'm just gonna run and try and take these bolts out before I have to go out and do another run of the oil pan, so this way I could put the new pistons in. I got approximately a half an hour, so I gotta hurry. If I can get this thing to move, it'll work well, and we'll get this done. I'm trying to get this completed because the weather is changing and it's just going to get colder out here every day that I wait, so it's going to make everything rusty, and I don't want that. So right now I got 4 of the bolts out. I got to get the 2 in the front out. I'm not sure about the one in the back. I think it is out, but you can never tell. Oh, there goes one. All right. Now we just got, I think that's about it. Yeah, we got the 1/2 inch over here in the back, and 2 1/2 inches in the front. So I'm gonna put this down. I'll switch sockets. Where's the other one? The other one's right here. Okay. Yep, because we got to take these off before I can take anything out. So, let's see here. This one should be pretty much loose. Hello, baby. Take her out. That way I can get this done. Okay. Make a couple more spins on that, and that'll be done. I'm pretty sure I got the one out on the other side. Alright, this is a small one. And let's see, did I get it out? I can't tell. Yes, I did. Okay, so all I need to do is get the 2 out in the front, but I got my hands on this one now. So, all right, that one's out. Now I just need to switch over and do the small one again, because I got one little one I forgot about over here. And then I get the one out on the front, and I should be able to drop the oil pan. All right, there we go. Yep, she's coming out back here. There's just one in the front. That's it. There it is. There's that. Yep, we only have one in the front. And that is on the passenger side. Okay. Switching over once more. And this should be it. And when I come home today, I can take this thing off. All right, now, let's see. Let me see if I can reach it. Yep, I got it. All right. All right, the oil pan is off once again. Just gotta get that out of the way. And then slide it down. Yeah. Come on now. Don't give me no lip. Your ass is out, so all you gotta do is drop down. Shift over. it should be coming out. I don't know why it's being so stubborn. What the hell is holding it in place? Alright, I don't get this. I shouldn't be doing this unless that thing is in the way. There it is. Alright. Okay, the oil pan is out once again. And let's see. I think it's supposed to be this one right there. I don't know if this is the right size, but we'll try it. It might be. All right, so why is that? Okay, 1, 2, and this one here. So it's that one and this one here, I think. Oh shit, I'm gonna need a ratchet for that. Okay, so this is the new piston over here. This is another old one, so we're just gonna see if we can't loosen some of these up real quick and possibly take them out. Actually, I have this ratchet up there, so this one stays and all these other ones got to come out. Oh yeah, we're gonna need a ratchet. They're torqued down. All right, let me slide on out of here. Well, now you see what has to be done. I think I'm going to get to it when I get back. I don't know how much time I have left. Before I have to go. So, I'm going to get that out. And then I'm going to loosen up some things and hopefully be able to take a couple of pistons out later today when I get home. All right, well, I know it's a short, but I hope you all enjoyed it. Well, it's not really a short, but don't forget to like and subscribe. All right, now, later, y'all.